Greetings fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at a kit from Marek. This is the P51A Mustang. Now I did a little recoloring and I quite like how it turned out. So this is it. I built this Mustang probably about 3 times in my life, and it's a beautiful aircraft from Marek. As you can see, you have the general outline he showed you, the plan section, which he likes to split in half and show the underside, and then the top view, so you're not confused. He shows you how the parts are laid out. And then you can see from here how the cockpit area is done, how the engine layup is done, and the wing form, the spin. Then goes into detail about the elevator, the rudder, and the internal makeup. The seat, instrument panel, the radio gear. So it's pretty simple, straightforward for 1/72nd, and yet beautiful. Now I have recolored this, and hopefully Marek doesn't mind. And here I did it in, you can see the bomb line here and the details of the names. I did a little research and found out what it looked like, and to try to accurately represent the model at the time. You have the stabilizer. Now this is what I like with the kit. You can build it separate with the elevator and rudder, stabilizer and ailerons, or you could just go, let me just be a bit simpler with everything, and he provides everything already attached, so you don't have a problem. You have the bomb rack, the canopy detail, the engine inlet, the cooling, radiator cooling inlet. Beautiful model. Landing light. So you cut this area, you wrap around, and then you install. I made double because, as usual, I will make mistakes. So that's it. Another kit from Marek. And this one, I'm really tempted to say, let me start this one, build it, because I lost a much larger, more detailed model in terms of a Halinsky kit that I'm going to put aside for now. But this one here is a beaut. I think I will try this. So that's it for now, everybody. Take care, walk good, and above always, one love.